Hello, Flower Glamorous family, and those who are here for the first time to watch our videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and give a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. I hope that you enjoy this video. This is my pink peony. These are some beautiful knockout roses that are around my church. This baby clematis is doing very well. Look how pretty and vibrant the colors are. This pot has waves in them, and in a few weeks it'll be overflowing. This pot is really beautiful here. These begonias are coming along beautifully. We have had a lot of rain, but they're still coming along beautifully. Yesterday for Mother's Day, it rained all day. These are on my top deck. I forgot to show these two the last time. I have petunias, sweet potato vine, and I literally watched them grow. The wind is blowing hard today, but you can still see this pot. She's coming along real good. And the flowers at the end of the walkway are beautiful. In a few weeks, this will be running over with flowers. I can't wait. And this pot is so pretty. I added a sweet potato vine to it. I can't wait till it starts getting in the overflow. And this pot right here, she's coming along. You hear those wind chimes? They be tuning out. Now you will see slides of some beautiful container plants so you can get some DIY ideas. Family, I like to leave these words with you. God is working things out for you, even if you don't feel it. Have faith and be thankful. Where faith and hope grows, miracle blossoms. So please be blessed. And don't forget, If you haven't already, subscribe and comment and give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Have a blessed day.